कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. Jai Shri Krishna to all the devotees. Hopefully all of you are well. Today I will be talking about Tulsi Vivaah, answering these questions. 1. Why do we keep the Tulsi plant in our house? 2. How to do the puja. 3. What do we get if we do the puja? And why is Tulsi plant so dear to Lord Vishnu? We keep the Tulsi plant in our house. Every Hindu must have it in their house because it represents Lord Vishnu's love to the Tulsi plant. He can't stay in your house spiritually if you don't have the Tulsi plant in your house. And second thing, it must be near a window so we can get fresh air, or in the front, in the courtyard, front garden, or in the back garden. How do we do the puja? We use our ring finger to do the chandlo on Tulsi plant, get some rice and do it, offer flowers and do aarti. What do we get? We get health, wealth and prosperity, all success. And it is also a medicine type. If you eat the Tulsi plant or a juice of Tulsi, it covers cough and coldness and your temperature. Why is it so beloved to Lord Vishnu? That is what we're gonna cover after the story, which I will say now the story. One day there was a demon called Jalandhar. He was evil. His wife was very spiritual and was such a close devotee to Lord Vishnu. Jalandhar was invincible by the Devas and Lord Shiva because Vrunda, his wife, had a vow of chastity, which means she prayed for someone else. She prayed a lot to Lord Vishnu, and she prayed to Lord Vishnu and said, "Give all of this blessing to my husband so that he had the spiritual power on him and he couldn't die." And so Lord Shiva rushed to Lord Vishnu fast. He didn't want to waste any time because Jalandhar was destroying all our religion and our humanity. So he went to Lord Vishnu and they discussed and planned that Lord Vishnu took a form of Jalandhar and Lord Shiva was battling the real Jalandhar. So then Lord Vishnu in the form of Jalandhar descended on the earth, went to Vrunda and touched him. And then at first Vrunda didn't realize his action or how he speaks, because he knows that how he uses his actions, his hands. So he touched him back, and then when he started to do his actions, she realized that this can't be my husband. So let me pray deeply, spiritually, and see that if this is really my husband. So she prayed and said, if this is really my husband, please show your true form. But before, Vrunda touched Lord Vishnu back. So her vow of chastity was broken and Jalandhar was dead. She was shocked that she was tricked by her own Lord Vishnu, and she got mad and said that I've been a devotee of you for my whole life, and at the end you do bad karma and with hard heart I will curse you and you will turn into a stone called Shaligram. And Lord Vishnu said to Vrunda that, calm down, you won't be husbandless, you turn into a tulsi plant and then I will get married to you. But when you do the celebration on Kartik month, 11th day of Ekadashi, 11th day of Kartik month, after Diwali, we do fasting and we celebrate this festival, the marriage of Tulsi and Shaligram. But you can't offer rice because his heart then was like a stone. It wasn't choco, it wasn't pure. So you can't offer rice or you will get bad karma. And that is the story. That is why Lord Vishnu loved the Tulsi plant, because he got married to it. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Hope you like our videos.
If you do, then don't forget to
Comment, like, share and subscribe. Jai Shri Krishna.